yours truly, Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin, as we try to complete the century here. We're up to 91. That will be protactinium, I believe. Yeah. And here we have now O, P, and Q. X, X, X. C91.1, C91.2, C91.3, C91.4, C91.5, C91.6, C91.7, C91.8, and P of X 92. You have a very important one. Everything is important here, but this is uranium. This is the one doing the atomic bombs and energy take out into space. It does both the negative and the positive there. Uranium, symbol U, atomic number 92, atomic weight of 238 and 235. 238 being most abundant of the isotope. And here we have OPQ, R, S, and T. X, that reached to the 10th differential order here with uranium. And we have now C, 92.1, C, 92.2, C, 92.3, C, uranium 92.4, C, uranium 92.5, C, uranium 92.6, C, uranium 92.7, C, uranium 92.8, we have an S of X there. We have 93, neptunium, that's an atomic number of 237, atomic weight rather, and U, V, and W to the X's here. C, (93.1), C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. And here we have now VFX 94, plutonium. Plutonium and uranium usually go together here. Let's have a symbol of Pu, an atomic weight of 231.231, something like that. Now X, Y, Z, X, X, and X. I have now C94.1, C94.2, C94.3, C94.4, C94.5, C6, C7, C8, Y, X. So I've passed here plutonium. These are the uranium and plutonium are some of the most popular used radioactive metal. And it is used in very explosive experiments and in energy in space and ground, and bombs and other uses. I've used this in medicine as well. 231, 232, 95. Americium, and this one sounds like America, Americium, AM symbol. We have now A to the X1, 11, B to the X1, and C to the X1. So for americium, we have C95-1, C95-2, C95-3, C95-4, C95-5, C95-6, C95-7, C95-8, and here we have now B11, BX1, and I have now 96. We have D, E, and F. X1, X1, X1. C96-1, C96-2, C96-3, C96-4. That's cool room. C5, C6, C7, C8, and E, X1. So 95 runs curium, so we have berkelium coming up, you know. GHI X1, X1, X1. C97-1, C97-2, C97-3, C97-4, C97-5, C97-6, C97-7, C97-8, and what we have H of X1, 98, California, for California we have GHI, J, K, and L, X1, 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 for California. C 98-1, C Californium 98-2, C Californium 98-3, Cricket C Californium 98-4, C 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's draw the one our matrical sign there, and we get K X1. 99, Einsteinium. ES symbol here, CF symbol, and California. And here some of the batsmen usually get a bit nervous. We have had one batsman in the past here at 99, he was overconfident. And right on 99, he was out. But 99 is a very intrinsic and significant number here. One before the century, 99. And here we have JK. M, N, O, X1, X1. The 11th differential order we have here on this Einsteinium. And we have now C, 99, 1, C, 99, 2, C, 3, C, 4, C, 99, 5, Cricket Einsteinium 99, 6, Cricket Einsteinium 99, 7, Cricket Einsteinium 99, 8, N of X1. And for our century here, our fermium, P, Q, and R, X1, X1, X1. So we have completed our century here now. C, 101, C, 102, C, 103, C, 104, C, 5, C, 6, C, 7, C, 108, and Q, I, X. And at this point here, you usually get some standing ovation. Batsman has completed this century. Hats off, bats in the air, applause. Century is completed here in France. First overseas century. So I've made some centuries on the US soil here. PQR, S, T, and U. X1, X1, X1. C1011, C1012, C101, that's Mendelevium. And he was a very important chemical scientist there. C3, C 1011, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Mendelevium 8, and T, X1. Nobelium, V, W, and X. And that sounds like Nobelium laureate, Nobelium Prize, Nobelium. We named that one after the Nobel Prizes in chemistry. Nobelium, V, not only in chemistry, but in other fields. X1, X1, X1. This is 2. This would be 3, Lawrencium there. And this would be C 1021, C 1022, C 1023, C 1024, C 1025, C 1026, C 1027, C 1028. That's Nobelium, W, X1. And Lawrencium here, we have BWX, Y, Z, A, that will be X2I, which is 12, X1, X1, C1031, C1032, C1033, C1034, C1035, C1036, C1037, C1038, and 104 here. Rhodophyridium, RF, 105 Rubidium, we'll have here B, C, and D. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. And 105, Rubidium, E, F, and G. And just dots to represent these dots. Now look, I just draw the centuries completed. So that's that. Let's give a magnification view here. So we have the completion of the century here in France. The premiere. CDG. Thanks for all the participation. Gratitude for all those who participated. Thanks with gratitude to our fourth umpire, the ineffable Uwe Vahe, an inspiration. And so we could close off here with gratitude or we have completed the first century, the proposal for Olympic cricket and here in France and international test cricket. And once again, with gratitude, we could close off with a century, first overseas century, US based here, and let's return.